Hi, my name is Aaquib Wani and I'm super thrilled to be checking out all the entries for Art of Motorcycling Y3K. Well, art to me is an expression. It is what I'm feeling in that very given moment when I'm making art. It could literally mean thinking of a butterfly in a storm. So what do you get when you mix art, motorcycles and future? You get Art of Motorcycling Y3K. This is really where you can go all out. Imagine a world full of machines, imagine a world full of motorcycles, which is essentially not just your mode of transport, but also is a part of you. But you know what? I'm actually excited to see what you guys have in store for us. So 7 lucky winners from all across the world get to be a part of this special event, which is the Motoverse in Goa, where I'll be making something special for you guys at the Art of Motorcycling Arena. So please go for it, apply now, and I can't wait to see your entries.